How to disable and block all calls on Facebook Messenger. So the very first step is to open your Messenger app. Since Messenger still doesn't have a feature in which you may be able to disable and block all calls, what I can suggest is to simply block those people who are calling you. So go to that conversation, for example, this one, and then click on their name found on the uppermost part and scroll down until you can see the block option. Click on block and click on block messages and calls. Once you have clicked that, click on block once again, and then that person may not be able to call or message you once again. So again, since Messenger still doesn't have an option in which you may be able to block everyone from messaging you or from calling you, the best option is to block the people that you don't want to receive a message or calls. So that's it. That's how you can disable and block all calls on Facebook Messenger.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.